Hello sir, so your bot is completed. It's quite similar to the last one. So if you have already installed the requirements for that, you don't have to install or run all the scripts again. So but if you are going to run first time on new computer for Windows, Mac or Linux, you have to simply open up the command line or terminal. For Windows it is CMD or command line. For Mac or Linux, you have to open up the terminal. They are quite similar. That from these details and commands, you have to first of all check out this simple command: copy, paste, enter, and go. If that output the Python 3 point some version, then that's mean you already have Python 3 installed. But if you get any error or something like that, Python not found, then you have to follow first of all from Windows. You can install 64-bit version, and if you open up that, then you have to check this at Python 3 point some version point and then press on this install now. Okay, after that, that will be simply installed. And on the last step, if you see something like that, disable path link limit, and you have to press on that, and perfect, you have successfully installed Python 3 in your Windows. For Mac or Linux, for Macintosh, simply copy this link, open up your browser. After that, you can download a Python version for Macintosh at pkg file and simply double click on that and install. Boom. Then you have to successfully install the Python 3 in your Mac. Okay. But if you get with this command 2 point some version, then you have to run this simple command: python 3 slash minus version. Okay, if that give you Python 3, then perfect. Next you have to make sure if you get Python 3 with these three variable, then you have to write with all this command 3. But if you get simple Python 3 with this simple command, for example like this one, then you have to write simple p. Perfect. They are the same step and the same processes you already did for the last her.com bot. If you are going to run this script or this bot on the same Windows environment or the same PC, then that's mean you don't have to install anything else. Simply extract this bot and double uh, configure this file, double click on that. It's quite similar process. From here you can provide any name you want. The bot should save Excel or CSV file as output. From here you can change the state from Texas to any you want, Nevada or Florida or whatever you want. And from here you can control either bot should start from which page number. For example, I'm going to start from page number 1, but when bot will run, that will be automatically on those pages, will update this number automatic. So next time if you close the bot and the rerun, that will be automatically restart or resume itself from the current page. For example, there was last time 3, I have deleted the run the bot and deleted the last file, so that was on third page. Okay, so perfect. I think you understand this process. It's quite simple. And here the last same similar step where we have to use the multiprocessing. What multiprocessing is, that will be make your bot thousand of times faster than the conventional bot. But if you are using simple processor, not a multiprocessing PC, then you have to make this false so that can run on the normal computer. if you have some PC like that, dual core, quad core, multi-processor CPU, or for example core i3, 5 or something else, you can use this tool. Okay, from here how many threads you want. uh, as we know that for search, okay, from each search there are almost 25 okay, there are 25 retail real relator or whatever they are. Okay, 25 persons are there, or agents are there. So I have put this 25 number as per this number. Last time that was 12 or 6, so you can maximize or minimize this number as you want. If with the maximum number bot not properly work, you have to decrease this number to the lower versions. For example, 12, 10, 8 or so on. You can decrease the number and retest the bot, so that will be perfectly work fine according to your network and your processing power. So according to my network and processing power, I'm going to run with the 25 threads. It's the maximum number what this page have the data. For example, if there will be 100 data entries, I can maximize this number towards the 100. But as per my network and computer resources. Okay, I think this is the quite same and similar processes for installation and for configuration. They are almost same process, but there is an additional feature to resume the bot. So let's run the bot. Okay, perfect. New file is created and total agents found, total pages found, and we start for the page number 1. Okay, it's, it's moving forward and saving the last grab details of the pages. So just have a look how beautifully and how powerfully it is going forward. Okay. I think I have to close. Almost 60 entries are there, and test how much data is grabbed. So it is moving forward to copy next pages and save details for the last pages. That's how it actually works. Perfect. Let's close this one. Check how much data perfectly is saved. I think it's fine. Okay. what the data part have grabbed is the agent's name, city, their designations, office names, office number plus personal number. The main thing you have uh, want, and let me check. Okay, perfect. So almost all of them have their personal numbers, file numbers. Okay, office numbers, office names, designations, and city. Perfect. So let me delete this parameter, which is YC, mobile colon. Okay, I will remove this parameter mobile colon and then update the solution and provide that to you. Thank you so much. What is actually working perfect? So bot is actually working perfect. A few tweaks are required. First of all, I will remove this mobile colon, and second, I will add the code to stop for last pages to complete.